Welcome to Classroom TV. Dear children, how are you all? I know you missed school very much and you have all been eagerly waiting for schools to reopen. What did you do all these days? Do you want to know what I did? Here is a video for you. It's a surprise. Watch it. Children, you have watched the video, right? How was the picture I drew for you? Did you like it? I hope you really liked the picture. So why did I do that? Because we are going to begin our day, the first day of the school, with the activity based on this picture. Are you ready? Let's begin. Here it is for you children. Now, let's do the activity related to the picture. There is a bird in the tree and there is an animal under the tree. What shall we do now? First, let's write all the names of animals and birds that we know of. The names of common animals and birds. Are you ready? Let's begin. A sparrow, a parrot, a duck, a pigeon, a crow, a hen, an owl, a cuckoo, a peacock, a blue jay, a swan, a woodpecker. Here are the names of animals. A cat, a dog, a cow, a pig, a goat, a sheep, a rabbit, a squirrel, a lion, a tiger, an elephant, a monkey, a fox, a bear, a horse, a camel, a deer, a tortoise. You can add more names. Children, now let's write all the actions possible and all the actions which we know of. Are you ready? Let's begin. Sitting, standing, eating, drinking, talking, thinking, sleeping, walking, running, jumping, looking, smiling, skipping, crying. You can add as many action words that you know of. Children, now we have two lists. The first list with the names of animals and birds. The second list with all the action words that we know of. What shall we do now? Look at the picture once again. Look at the bird in the tree. What is the name of the bird? Next one. What is the color of the bird? Where is is the bird? And what is that bird doing? This is a sparrow. It's grey, white and brown. It is sitting in the tree. The sparrow is sitting on the branch. It is thinking. You can add more sentences if you want. Now look at the animal under the tree. What is the name of the animal? What is the color of the animal? Where is the animal? And what is the animal doing? Let's write down the answers for these questions. This is a squirrel. It is grey and brown in color. It is standing under the tree. It is looking at the fruit in its hand. The squirrel is thinking. Children, there is a sparrow in the tree and a squirrel under the tree. Imagine the sparrow looks down and sees the squirrel under the tree and wants to start a conversation with the squirrel. What would be the possible conversation between the squirrel and the sparrow? Let's write down. Who are the two characters in conversation? The sparrow and the squirrel. Who would speak first? The sparrow. Let's look at the format of writing a conversation. It's the sparrow that would start the conversation. Let's see what would the sparrow say. Hi dear, why don't you come up? Now, what would the squirrel say? Hi sparrow, wait, I'm coming. The squirrel climbs up, and what would the sparrow say now? What is that in your hand? What would be the squirrel's reply? It's a fruit. What would the sparrow say now? Hey, can I have a bite? How was the activity? Did you like it? Are you ready to do a similar activity? Now, take a paper, any paper you like from your notebook, and draw a picture of a bird on a tree and an animal under the tree. Are you ready? Now, start drawing the picture. For me, they all are really very wonderful children. Now, let's select one of those pictures. Here is the picture I have selected for the next activity. Look at the picture, children. What do you see in the picture? You see a bird on the branch of a tree, and you see another bird under the tree. Let's talk about the bird on the branch of the tree. What is the name of the bird? What is its color? Where is it? What is it doing? I have another question for this bird. What is the speciality of this bird?
This is a parrot. It is in green color. It has a red beak. It is sitting on a branch and thinking. Parrots speak like us.
Now let's move on to the next part. Let's see the other bird under the tree. What is the name of the bird? What is its color? Where is it? What is it doing? And what is the speciality of this bird? Write a description using the questions I have asked you now.
This is a duck. Duck is white color. Duck is under the tree. Duck is swimming in the water.
Very good descriptions. Short and simple. Now, let's write a possible conversation between the duck and the parrot.
Hey, hi duck.
Hello, parrot.
Dear, I want to swim.
Okay, come down here.
But I can't swim.
Oh, don't worry. Sit on my back. We will swim together.
Wow, thank you, dear.
Okay, dear. Welcome. So good, children. You see, you already know that the parrot cannot swim, but the duck can do that. So, when the parrot wishes to swim in the water, the duck gives an idea to sit on its back and enjoy swimming. How nice! That was a beautiful conversation. Now you have so many pictures with you. Each one has a picture, right? So you too can attempt something like this. Write the description of the bird on the tree and the animal under the tree. And then try to write a conversation between the bird and the animal. You can come up with numerous conversations and you can add whatever you want. And if you want, you can take the help of your teacher also. How was that? Will you do that? I hope you will definitely do that.
Wait, teacher. That's not all. There is one more description. We want to talk about this picture. Crow is sitting on a tree. Crow is in black color. It sings cow, 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 cow. This is a cow. It is in brown color. The cow standing under the tree. It's eating grass.
Wonderful. Now, thank you everyone. Hope this activity will be very useful for you all. And once again, happy reopening to you all. Bye.
Like, share, subscribe, and hit bell icon for notifications of Classroom TV.